Welcome to Module 7, AI, Ethics, and Safety. This module is about something every AI user must master: using AI safely, responsibly, and confidently in real-world professional work. AI can feel magical, but like every powerful tool, it comes with responsibilities. In this session, I will walk you through the ethical foundations, the risks you may not notice at first, and the practical tools you can start using immediately. Think of this module as your seatbelt and your toolbox combined. It keeps you safe and helps you work smarter. AI is powerful and easy to misuse. Often, mistakes do not look like mistakes at first. They may appear as a repeated assumption, a missing detail, or an output that sounds confident but is entirely wrong. AI errors can spread fast. One wrong summary, one biased job description, or one inaccurate report can impact an entire team or even an organization. Ethics is not only about following rules, it is also about building trust with colleagues, customers, and stakeholders. When people know you use AI carefully, they trust your output. Think of this as reputation insurance. If you use AI responsibly today, you avoid major complications tomorrow. In this module, you will learn 6 essential areas. Responsible AI principles, the 4 big ideas that guide ethical AI use. Bias and how to reduce it, why AI sometimes gives unfair or stereotyped answers. Privacy protection, what you can and cannot safely share with AI. Tools. Input safety rules, how to check data before sending it into a model. Output safety rules, how to verify and validate AI-generated content. Practical workplace best practices, how to use AI professionally without crossing boundaries. By the end, you will have a complete toolkit you can use right away. Responsible AI rests on 4 pillars. Fairness AI should treat people fairly and not discriminate. For example, making sure job descriptions do not favor one gender or age group. Transparency colleagues should know when and how you use AI in your work. If a report or draft has AI assistance, say so. Privacy protect personal and sensitive data at every stage. AI tools must never become an accidental leak. Accountability humans remain responsible for outcomes. Even if AI helps, you own the final result. If you keep these 4 principles in mind, you will consistently make safer choices. AI models learn from patterns in data. If the training data contains bias, the model reproduces it, sometimes subtly, sometimes openly. Bias is not theoretical. It affects real people. Examples include gender bias in job descriptions. AI may unconsciously write descriptions that appear more inviting to one gender. Cultural or language bias. Many models lean toward Western viewpoints or English-speaking contexts. Incorrect assumptions in summaries. AI may add details that reflect stereotypes rather than facts. Recognizing bias is the first step. Reducing it is the second. Here are practical strategies. Give neutral, clear prompts. Avoid assumptions. Example, instead of write a job description for a young software engineer, say write a job description for a software engineer. Provide balanced context. If you need global perspectives, say so. Give examples from Asia, Europe, and Africa. Avoid assumptions. Do not assume the model will guess your intention. Spell it out. Review outputs critically. Read as an editor. Is this fair and inclusive? Ask the AI to check itself. A helpful prompt. Review this for bias in gender, culture, age, or assumptions. Use this often. It catches issues early. Privacy is the heart of safe AI. Rules to follow. Never upload sensitive personal data such as medical records, financial details, customer lists, or ID numbers. Avoid full names, phone numbers, or IDs. Even basic details can be misused when combined with other data. Remove confidential content. Company strategy, internal documents, or proprietary information should not go into general AI systems. Use anonymization. Replace real names with placeholders such as Candidate A, Team Member 1, or Client X. This simple habit keeps everyone safe. Before giving AI any content, pause and run a mental checklist. Does this include private information like names or emails? Is this confidential data like internal strategy or HR information? Is this copyrighted material that I do not own? Do I have permission to process this through AI tools? A simple rule: when in doubt, leave it out. AI outputs need review before you share them. Check for accuracy. Are the facts correct? Need for fact checking. Does it reference numbers, statistics, laws, or claims? Potential harm. Could this embarrass or misrepresent someone? Bias. Does it stereotype or exclude groups? Remember, you are responsible for what you share, even if AI generated it. AI hallucinations are when the model invents details that sound real. Examples include wrong statistics, made up numbers, fake citations, books, articles, or papers that do not exist, invented facts, misleading summaries, adding information that isn't in the source. Hallucinations hide inside confident language. This is why verification is essential. Here are proven ways to reduce hallucinations. Give clear instructions. Vague prompts produce vague or wrong answers. Provide source material. When AI has actual text to work from, it hallucinates far less. Ask it to justify or cite. Even a simple "explain your reasoning" can expose problems. Run a second pass. Ask the AI, review your answer, and identify any claims that need verification. Break complex questions into smaller parts. Fewer moving pieces reduce errors. Here is a powerful technique. Ask AI to critique its own answer. You can say, review this output, identify inaccuracies, missing details, and weak reasoning. Or, which claims in this response require external fact-checking? Also ask for alternative versions. Different approaches reveal blind spots. This simple second step dramatically improves safety. AI's legal landscape is evolving. Meanwhile, follow these safe practices. Avoid uploading content you do not own. This includes PDFs, books, or copyrighted training material. Do not claim AI output as exclusive intellectual property unless your organization has clear policies. Verify image licensing when using AI-generated images for commercial use. Follow industry regulations, especially in healthcare, finance, and law. If unsure, check with your compliance team. A 2-minute check can save major trouble. Using AI at work requires honesty and professionalism. Be transparent. If a report or slide was created with AI assistance, mention it. Do not replace judgment with automation. Keep a human in the loop. Keep humans in control for decisions, especially hiring, performance, finance, or legal topics. Protect workplace data. Treat internal information with respect and confidentiality. AI is a tool. You are the decision maker. These red flags mean you must stop and rethink. Sensitive personal data, unverified medical or legal advice, dangerous or harmful content, strong claims without proof, stereotypes or biased language. If you see any of these, pause. Either revise the prompt or avoid the task altogether. Safe workflow pattern. 1. Gather data safely. Remove private or sensitive details first. 2. Process with AI using constraints. Give clear boundaries and instructions. 3. Review results manually. Use your judgment. 4. Polish or correct. Fix inaccuracies or tone issues. 5. Store or share responsibly. Follow your company's guidelines. Repeat this flow for all AI-driven tasks. Here is how to summarize emails safely. Remove private details. Delete email addresses or confidential signatures. Provide only necessary text. Just include the body content needed for summarization. Ask for a neutral summary. Tell the AI to avoid assumptions or interpretations. Review the output. Make sure it captures the message accurately without adding anything that wasn't said. This saves time without breaking privacy rules. HR work is sensitive. Use AI carefully. Avoid biased descriptions. Ask AI to check job posts for gender-neutral or inclusive language. Check fairness, prompt, review this job post for any bias. Never upload performance data. This is confidential HR material. Keep final decisions human. AI can organize resumes, but people must make hiring choices. AI helps with efficiency. Humans ensure fairness. AI helps accelerate research, but quality requires human oversight. Use AI for organizing information, outlines, structure, summaries, great use cases. Always fact-check numbers, dates, statistics, and claims that must be externally verified. Ask for sources, then check if those sources exist and match the claim. Add your own analysis, your voice, your judgment, your expertise. That's what makes the report valuable. AI accelerates, but humans elevate. You now understand the 4 pillars of responsible AI: how to detect and reduce bias, how to handle data safely, how to prevent hallucinations, best practices for workplace AI use, practical examples and workflows you can start using now. Ethical AI use is an ongoing practice, but now you have a strong foundation. In the next module, we go deeper into the future of AI agents. You will learn what AI agents are, how they think and plan, how they use tools, real industry use cases, how to build your first agent. This is where AI starts performing tasks end to end, not just answering prompts. To continue learning, visit thegeniuscircuit.com. You will find tutorials, tools, and resources to help you master AI safely and confidently. Thank you for completing Module 7. Your commitment to responsible AI use helps make the technology better for everyone.